Hi friends, எல்லாரும் எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? I'm your RK. See, nowadays I have stopped uploading the boring lectures. We can say because whatever the videos that we have uploaded like one month ago, I have recorded all those videos near for 1 hour, more than 1.5 hours. Even if you observe some of the lectures 6 or 7 months back, I have uploaded the videos which are having the duration of more than 2 hours also. But recently I realized that people started facing a lot of struggle with that. We are unable to study by spending those many hours by sitting in a single video, simply observing this, when it will be completed, again we have to study, sleeping. So I realized all these things, so we are going to stop all these stupid activities. So recently you can observe whatever the lectures that I am uploading in our present days, like in the last 20 or 30 days, you can observe I am uploading only 10 minutes of lectures. I hope it will be effective, and we are also following new methods. In this way, if you learn, if you observe the playlist also, we have started from engineering mathematics. Almost I have completed 95 percentage of vector calculus and the calculus chapter. I hope you all get the complete idea just by watching the problems alone. I haven't explained any concept. You should start from here. It came from here. This one invented by this person. This one discovered by that person. I haven't told anything. Just watch the lecture. You can watch now. You can learn the concept from anywhere. Like you are into travel, no issues. You are walking somewhere or you are outside, just keep the mobile with you, no need to take any notes. Just observe the lecture, and then when you are reaching the home, when you are getting the practice questions, started solving directly. You don't need to make any notes at all even. I hope definitely this way of idea will be helpful for every one of you. If you really love the way we are teaching now, if you want to understand, first observe the playlist. After that, if you are really understanding, yes, it is working well, then just click that like button. And also I just wanted to know in which way you people are expecting, because after completing this calculus, I'm just thinking to start probability and statistics. Because the way we are going to release the lectures will be, let me tell you what we are going to do simply. We know in mathematics, if you take max, suddenly in our mind it is joking with vector calculus area, it's too difficult. When we are thinking probability statistics, no, that is also too difficult. Now if we take some other chapters, okay, it's literally little bit fine, some 60 to 70 percentage, on average we are trying to get close to those problems. So that's why I have directly taken or started the classes from calculus. Almost it is going to be completed, so it's time to start the next chapter. Probably I'm expecting it's probability and statistics will be going to start. So if you are expecting some other chapters, or if you are facing some other issues, sir, I'm really feeling difficult in this chapter, please upload. If you are having those kind of expectations, please immediately upload in the comment section before starting the next chapter. Instead of but before uploading the comments, first observe the lectures first, because I just wanted to know whether the way that we are uploading the lectures will be useful for every one of you or not. Without knowing that, if you are directly giving the comments, then it will become useless for both of us. Okay, all the best to everyone. First observe the lectures, don't forget to upload your comments in the comment section. Thank you all.